Hi, karon na dyan atong our day. Mga pila ka years po, 6 years po sa atong gikuan, ang atong pagsamahan. Bali, ang pinaka-special jud na adlaw, abot na jud karon. Karon na jud bali, infinity and beyond, char lang, di ba? So, more roller coaster to come. Up and down, but kaya na to ni. Have faith. Ipatunga lang natin ang Panginoon sa atong relationship o sa atong family. Abi.
Hi, Be. So, bali mag 2 years sa ta kasal pero wala pa ta na blessing sa through Christian way na kasal. So, today, itong blessing day, punta na happy ta and enjoy na to atong wedding karon. So, mo lang to. Love you.
Like or go?
Oh, so beautiful! Oh my gosh! I like it! Thank you! Layo kayo ba? Yeah, i-try daw ninyo. I like it.
Tayo ay babalik sa simula.
God is love, and those who abide in love abide in God, and God abides in them. God's love has been poured into our hearts through the Holy Spirit.
I love you with my whole heart, with a passion that can't be expressed in words, only in kisses, glances, and years of adventure by your side. I promise to be your honest, faithful, and loving husband for the rest of my days. I pledge to honor you, love you, and cherish you as my wife today and every day. Today I say I do, but to me that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad. I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I will love you forever.
Today, in the presence of God and our loved ones, I stand in awe of the blessing that is you. Dili taka partner, but a divine gift, a testament to God's grace and love in my life. As we unite our lives before Him, I vow to love you as Christ loves the church. With God's grace as our foundation, I promise to be your faithful companion and to lead our household with humility, strength, seeking God's guidance in all things. To listen attentively, pahalag bungol-bungol ko usahay. To share my hopes and fears, to cherish every moment as we embark on this journey together. I vow to uplift you in prayer, to encourage you in faith. I pledge to love you sacrificially, to be patient and kind as we build our life together.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me.
in human form. Body man, nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, they
Yeah, light it up, light it up. 나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야. break 없는 bike, 택도 없는 것들을 택도 안 떼고 we don't stack it up. 난 절대 바꾸 없는 type. I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. 싹 다 부수고 원상복구.
Parang Islang ang tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa Islang ang tropiko. Sa Islang ang tropiko. Sa Islang ang tropiko.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you.
Ito na ang bagong ito sa buhay mo. Sana magiging matatag kayo sa anumang pagsubok na darating sa marriage life niyo. Lawakan niyo ang pag-unawa niyo sa bawat isa. Lojel, be a good wife to Daryl and be a good mom sa mga anak niyo. Dahil alam ko na responsable kang pagkama at pagkaasawa sa anak namin. Pag may tampuhan or may away kayo, pag-usapan niyo agad. Dar, bilang isang ina ni Lojel, alagaan mo sana siya. Pati na mga bata. Basta kung kailangan niyo kami, ng papa niyo, nandito lang kami lagi.
Daryl and Rose, I wish you blessings, love, and happiness in your marriage. Love has brought you both together today, and may it strengthen your bond and give you joy, peace, prosperity for the rest of your life and with your children. So Rose, thank you for loving my son, my grandkids. You are such a fine woman, a loving wife, a great mom. And to you, Daryl, proud of you. As my son, I love you so much.
All this time we had to prove that we could stand here too. All the nights spent pushing through, fight for all we had to lose. Reaching out for something to pull us up to level ground. Oh, I can see it now, I can see it now.